this is the past month news. It's sensational. It's once in a blue moon to experience the snow here in UAE, and to touch the hailstorm, the tiny ice dropping from the sky, and then you touch it and you feel it, the cold, and I forgot to taste it. The feeling of what first time, what. Oh, okay, just watch this next video. Wow. Oh, it's cold. Hailstorm here in Dubai. Look at this ice.
Ice man.
Ice. Oh.
Too much like this.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, coming.
Eating. Listen.
Oh.
Eating. No problem. Naman sila. Yun talaga eh.
I've never seen this before. Look at this.
Ayan, first time magkakaroon ng yelo dito. Ay ako nakaka-experience na may yelo pala talaga. Bilog. Mas malaki pa sa buti ng bigas. Malaki pa sa buti ng bigas. Galing.
Wow! It looks like a tiny marble dropping from the sky. A white marbles. Wow! Nice. I've never seen this before.